Hi, Jaco here. Thanks for watching this video. And today I want to take a look at MLM Lead Pro and to answer the question, is MLM Lead Pro legit or a scam? Well, MLM Lead Pro is a free system that you can use to help you build your email list, which is the most important, and secondly, earn passive income at the back end. But MLM Lead Pro, the system itself, is free. There's no hidden costs, there's no upgrades, nothing. So you can use it 100% free, and which is very nice. And it's actually a steal if you think about it, because there's so many amazing features in it. It's actually mind-blowing that MLM Lead Pro is free to use. So when you join MLM Lead Pro, it will bring you to this launch wizard, where it takes you step by step to join the core income streams. Now, that's the part. There's two sections with MLM Lead Pro. First off, it helps you build your email list. The second, like I said, you can earn passive income at the back end. MLM Lead Pro got certain core income streams that you can join. You don't have to, and then you can also add your own income streams as well, and I'm going to show you that a little bit later. But there's some core income streams in step 1 that you can join. It's all up to you if you want to. You don't have to. You can join one of them. You don't have to join any of them. Just note, if you introduce people to MLM Lead Pro, or you bring leads through the MLM Lead Pro system and they join an opportunity that you did not join, that lead will go to your sponsor. Your sponsor will earn that commission. So that's important to understand. But you do not have to join these opportunities, right? So the main focus is still to build your email list. And at the back end, you can earn all these passive income streams without having to promote any of these opportunities. Now, these opportunities have been carefully selected by the owner because they work, they're legit, and you can earn passive income with them, and it's a low entry cost as well. So very important to understand that. So you just follow the instructions, watch the videos. It's a step-by-step process, and it will take you through everything at step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. All right, let me go back to the dashboard. So yeah, here are the 5 steps as well. If you, for example, want to change anything, you can do that. So the most important thing, in your account, you will set up your everything. You will connect your autoresponder, which in this case we use LeadSleep. LeadSleep is a free email platform with a lot of other extras within it. You can also create your own lead pages there, lead capture pages. It's a free, but there's also a pro version that you can upgrade. It's two different, they're different from each other, but we connect them so that we can have our email list with LeadSleep. Right, so that's the main focus of MLM Lead Pro, to build your email list. So you have your own, here let me go to leads pages and show you. Here you have your own lead capture pages. You simply open library. You can choose any of them. There's some premium opt-in pages that you can get as well. With that you need to pay 50 credits, but the cool thing is you can earn that credits right here within the Traffic Exchange, and then use that credits to buy those. So you don't have to pay out of pocket if you don't want to. Right, let me see. So it's very easy to set up. You get all the training that you need to help build your email list, and to set everything up, we have strategies that you can use, that members are using and getting results. You can use those same strategies to share your landing page, the one that you choose, which is very cool as well. We have our Facebook group, which is very active, and you can join that as well. And then we have our credit shop. Now your credit shop you can use to buy the homepage rotator ads, which I highly recommend you do. For example, when someone end up on the MLM Lead Pro website, there's a rotator going, and if somebody joins and you have credits for it with the homepage rotator ads, then you might get lucky and get a lead from that. I already got a couple of leads from that, so it's working very well. So here's some credits that you can buy. $5 for 500 credits, and so on and so on. You can that's an option to earn, to get credits, to buy it, and but you can also earn your credits from the Traffic Exchange. And that's how amazing MLM Lead Pro is. Very simple, done for your lead capture pages. You have your strategies, you have your training, how to set everything up. And within those lead capture pages, you can also set up tracking links to track exactly where does your leads come from. When you do some advertising or you share your links on social media, you can see exactly where it comes from, what it's all about. And yeah, so it's very good. So let me quickly show you here. There, add your own programs. Now MLM Lead Pro gives you the option to add your own programs, right? And so you can set up your own programs up to 5, and with extra credit when you buy, you can buy up to with 1,000 credits you can add 10 of your own programs that will be shown to your leads. Now let me go to the dashboard and just quickly show you here. When you are let me just get there. Step 1, 4 and 5 are the core programs that you cannot change them, right? They are the way they are. You don't have to join them, like I said, but the cool thing is in step 2 and 3 you can change those to the programs that you have. So for example, if you're not a beginner, you're already online and you have your own programs or your opportunities, then you can replace step 2 with your own and step 3 with your opportunities as well. So that's very nice. So it helps you to get more exposure to your opportunities. Obviously then you also you have your own programs as well, which you can add here, and it's very simple to do. Like this is one, my Live Good, it's on step 2. I just click step 2, override on, and that's it. All my leads will see Live Good in step 2. So that's it, very simple. MLM Lead Pro is an amazing free system. Can't believe it's free actually. So it's so much value that you get, and and you get it all for free. It's mind-blowing to use. It's also great with the opportunities at the back end. So if you're interested to join MLM Lead Pro, like I said, it's free. Please take a look in the description below, click on the link, add your details, and yeah, join MLM Lead Pro, and I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.